Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix OneDrive not starting in OneDrive app at 2026. So what OneDrive not starting means: the app won't open at all and opens then closes immediately. Stays stuck on a loading screen, never reaches the sign-in page, and this is usually caused by app corruption, background restrictions, outdated versions, or account authentication or authenticator issues. So the first fix is to force close and reopen the OneDrive app, and that's a quick fix for a frozen startup. So to do that, you will need to go with your device settings, and then you will need to scroll down until you can see the apps option. Tap it, then go with the second option, manage apps. After that, you may need to select the search bar and type right there OneDrive. Okay, so that's the app. Just tap it and go with force stop just on the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, just confirm with the blue button or OK, and that way we force closed the app. Right now we will need to go back and reopen it. Then you will need to restart your phone immediately, and this clears the system services that OneDrive depends on. After that, you will need to check the internet connection. OneDrive won't start properly without internet. So switch the Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi and turn the airplane mode on and then off, and avoid the VPNs temporarily. The next step is to update the OneDrive app. So you will need to go with your store, Play Store, App Store, and right there you will need to look for an update, because the old versions often fail to launch in 2026. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.